Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Project Meta Divine. This is your friendly neighborhood tarot reader, Ankan. Hope you're all doing well, and I also hope you have checked the monthly reading for June, which I uploaded last week. If not, I will link it in the description below. And also, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you get notified whenever a new video is uploaded, and you can check out my readings. So today in this video, we will be doing pick a pile reading for their current feeling towards you. It can be your partner, a friend, or any person you feel connected towards. Also, before we start that reading, the first thing that you must do is focus on that person and connect to that person. Try to think of that person and visualize how they interact with you, how they are, how they talk to you, or your emotion towards each other. Try to focus on that part. Now, once you're done focusing on that part, two piles will appear on the screen before you here, and you guys can choose any of the pile that you feel connected towards, that calls towards you. और जब आपने एक पाइल को फिक्स कर लिया होगा तो उस पे आप फोकस कीजिए, आपका जो इंटेंशन है उसको उसी पाइल पे फोकस कीजिए। अगर आपको ज़रूरत है तो आप वीडियो पॉज़ करके भी डिसाइड कर सकते हैं कि कौन-सा पाइल आपको ज़्यादा कनेक्ट कर रहा है। तो अगर आपने पाइल 1 पिक किया है तो पहले आप लोगों का रीडिंग कर लेते हैं। सो दिस इज़ द रीडिंग फॉर पीपल हू चोज़ पाइल 1 एंड या So yeah, for people who have chosen pile one, definitely I see a very innocent and childish kind of feeling. They feel uh, this energy towards you, which is very innocent. The emotion that they feel towards you is very emotion. Also, another thing to uh, focus upon, and which is very nice. Two aces. So definitely a new beginning of emotions, a new surge of new feelings towards you is coming. Because two aces and also like the two of cups. So definitely love reading, two cups is there, and also an ace. So their feelings, I would say, is of love. They feel driven towards you. They feel they need to uh, initiate something. And they need to initiate their feeling towards you, as well as they want to start again with you. They want to express their feeling towards you. As time goes on, they are very much driven towards it. They want to come close to you. So this is a very soulmate kind of energy. So yeah, it's coming towards you. The person is willing to start afresh, to come towards you, to exchange energies with you, to exchange their emotions, and uh, share their feeling towards you. But the thing that coming that is also there is the moon. So definitely not everything is clear to them. I see they are a bit confused about uh, uh, their whole emotional spectrum towards you. उनमें उनको लग रहा है कि पूरा पिक्चर अभी भी क्लियर नहीं है, तो वो अभी भी लाइक काइंड ऑफ कंप्लीट डिसीजन पे आ नहीं पा रहे हैं. So that is why possibly they are holding a bit back, and they are not taking the final step of expressing the love and sharing their emotions for you. So definitely the energies of love, the energies of starting afresh, uh, possibly a rebound, possibly someone from your past coming back, someone that you have had no contact situation with, जिनके साथ आपका काफी दिनों से contact हुआ नहीं है, बात हुआ नहीं है. Probably बीच बीच में कभी कभार एक दो टेक्स्ट हो गए हैं, लेकिन प्रॉपर कनेक्शन, प्रॉपर कम्युनिकेशन नहीं है यहाँ पे. एंड ऐसे सिचुएशन में अभी वही दिखा रहा है कि दे आर वेरी मच विलिंग टू कम टुवर्ड्स यू, बट देयर इज एन एलिमेंट ऑफ कंफ्यूजन, देयर इज एन एलिमेंट ऑफ नॉट गेटिंग द होल आइडिया. होता है ना कि आधा से ज़्यादा पार्ट शायद डार्कनेस में है, शैडो में है, तो वो चीज़ अभी तक रिवील नहीं हुआ है उनको, और इसीलिए थोड़ा डर भी है उनमें. there is an element of fear in this. Possibly they could fear that sharing their emotions or starting afresh could backfire for them, so they fear that as well. So element of fear is definitely there, but within them there is definitely lot of love and lot of uh, energy and passion towards their emotions for you. Now, for your advice card, you get the strength. So, uh, the thing that you need to do is have your strength and courage. You need to hold your ground. You need to control your own instincts. Don't do anything that you feel rushed towards. Have patience. Have control, self control towards your own emotions, towards your uh, जो आपका लाइक होता है ना, एक खींच होता है, देयर इज एन अट्रैक्शन, देयर इज यू यू फील द अर्ज एंड यू फील द नीड टू डू समथिंग, तो वो मत कीजिए। लाइक जल्दबाजी में कोई भी चीज मत कीजिए, क्योंकि इन मोस्ट केसेस व्हेन यू रश इनटू थिंग्स, द ब्यूटीफुल थिंग्स, इवन इफ इट्स ऑन द प्रोसेस ऑफ फॉर्मिंग, इट क्रम्बल्स, इट ब्रेक्स। सो पेशेंस दिखाइएगा, एंड हैव योर स्ट्रेंथ एंड करेज, and let the universe unfold its messages and mystery, and the whole cycle तभी complete होगा जब आप खुद को एक stable position पे रखेंगे, and आप खुद पे भरोसा करेंगे, आपके खुद के जो inner chakras है, inner strength है, उस पे जब आप focus करेंगे तभी ये complete चीज मतलब fruition होगा। सो अभी जो लोग पाइल 2 सिलेक्ट किए थे, उनके रीडिंग कर लेते हैं। सो अगेन द सेम प्रोसेस, फोकस ऑन your person and focus on the card. Try to direct your energies towards your person as well as towards the pile that you have selected, and we'll check with the readings for them. Wow, very nice energies actually. Wow. uh, So definitely you, first of all, the most important thing to notice, you get 3 of Knights. See, Knight of Wands, Knight of Cups, and Knight of Pentacles. So definitely there is action. They are definitely coming towards you. They're bringing with them, passion, love, as well as a sense of maturity. And they are very much driven to take action towards their emotions for you. They are definitely coming towards you, but like 3 cards for action is a very rare kind of reading. So definitely if they are not if they have not expressed their feelings for you yet, or if they are in on the like no contact phase, then they're definitely coming towards you to express their emotions, and they are also coming towards you with lots of uh, like what I say is passion. एंड ऐसा भी नहीं है कि वो जो एक्शन ड्रिवन आ रहे हैं जिस तरह से, वो बिना सोचे समझे हैं, बिकॉज आपके रीडिंग में टेम्परेंस भी है। सो बहुत ज़्यादा बैलेंस काइंड ऑफ एनर्जी है उनमें। उन्होंने सोच समझ के ही ये डिसीजन लिया है कि दे नीड टू मूव टूवर्ड्स यू, दे नीड टू एक्सप्रेस देयर फीलिंग्स एंड इमोशन टूवर्ड्स यू। सो डेफिनेटली आप एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं कि they are coming towards you to express their emotions and feelings. The energies also show me a kind of vibe where they feel that they have waited long enough, and now is the perfect time for them to approach you, to do something about this, to do something about their emotions, what they feel towards you. They have given enough efforts towards this relationship, towards this emotional dynamics that they have with you. And so अभी उन्होंने वही realize किया है कि after balancing their energies, they have decided to take action towards you. So definitely they are coming towards you. सोच समझ के ही आ रहे हैं, but जरूर आ रहे हैं. And here for your advice, you get the 10 of Cups. So very beautiful energies. There is energy of emotional fulfillment, not just emotional fulfillment, I would say emotional bliss. So a very beautiful kind of fulfilling completion kind of energies is there, because it's a number 10 card as well as the number 10 of cups nonetheless. So complete emotional fulfillment, जो चीज़ आप इतने दिनों से expect कर रहे थे, manifest कर रहे थे, something that you have wanted from your person for a very long time is definitely coming towards you, and it's coming in a full parcel, full package में आ रहा है वो. So yeah, your wishes are definitely coming true. अगर देखा जाए एनर्जीज ऐसे दिखा रहा है कि वट एवर यू हैव विश्ड फॉर इट इज कमिंग ट्रू. सो अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल काइंड ऑफ एनर्जी. All you need to do is focus upon your emotional balance, emotional happiness. आप मस्ती में रहिए, खुश रहिए, ज़्यादा एक्सट्रीम्स में ना जाइए, बस अपने में ही मस्त रहिए, मगन रहिए. एंड बाकी सब सारी चीज़ यूनिवर्स खुद कर देंगे. वेरी पॉजिटिव रीडिंग्स फॉर बोथ द पाइल्स, and I'm happy about the reading. So yeah, if the readings resonated with you, uh, do like the video and leave a comment and claim the reading. Also, uh, like the channel, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video, hopefully quite soon. And yeah, bye. Thanks.